Nigerian Afang Soup is one of the most popular soup in Nigeria. It is well known and also eaten by the people of Cross River State and the Akwa Iboms. And Afang Soup is also very popular among the eastern part of Nigeria, and in short, every part of Nigeria love and enjoy this soup. And in today's video, we are going to be making Afang Soup, the Nigerian Afang Soup, the Calabar Style. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, please kindly click on that like button, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos, recipe videos like this. So for protein of choice, I'm using assorted beef. I wash this with hot water and salt. If you don't like it that way, parboil yours and throw the water away before cooking again. Into it, I added some stockfish and some pepper. I'm using red and yellow scent fresh pepper because I love the flavor. Then I season this properly with some seasoning powder and some salt. Then just sprinkle some little water into it and allow it to cook on its own juice. So cover this and leave it for 8 minutes. So after 8 minutes, I added more water into it. Just add enough water to cook the meat. And remember, Afang soup doesn't require much liquid. Also make sure to add cow skin to this. Yes, it's also an important protein used for making Afang soup. The ponmo, that is the cow skin, if you're not okay with the sizes of mine, you can always cut it smaller or bigger depending on the sizes you want it. Now, give that a proper stir it proper so that everything will be well incorporated, and then leave it to cook for at least 40 minutes. I cook mine for total of 40 minutes, or cook till all the protein is soft the way you want it. So after 40 minutes, our protein is already well cooked, properly cooked. Now we will just set this aside and move to the next step of making our afang soup. So in a pot, add some red oil, enough red oil. I will leave the quantity of items I use in the description box. Please check it out. Now I will go in with some water leaf. I want to use this medium and appreciate you all for watching my video. So if you have coming across the channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload recipes like this. So I just finished adding the water leaf and I'm stirring it together. Note, oil is very important when making your afang soup. Don't be stingy with the oil. Now I will sprinkle in some crayfish, some seasoning powder, and also I'll go ahead and add the dry fish. I'm using dry Titus for this recipe, and I'll go ahead and add some pepper. Yes, I always use a lot of pepper for making my afang soup, so add as much pepper as much as you can tolerate. Believe me, with water leaf you need a lot of pepper. Now I'll cover this and leave it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this is what we have. Note, it's also important you cook the water leaf until it is thick. You don't want it to be watery. We don't actually need the water from the water leaf. Some people will normally squeeze this water leaf and squeeze out the water out of it before cooking it at all. But if you are cooking it this way, just make sure you cook it until it is thick like this. You know it is okay when the water is a bit drawing. It will seem as if it's drawing a bit. What is your favorite Nigeria soup? Let me know on the comment section. Now we'll go ahead and add our protein together with the stock. Into the pot, we will also add periwinkle. So for me, I prefer using this type of periwinkle, but you can use the other one that have the shell, but make sure to wash it very well because it is always sanding. Like majority of people actually love that one, but for some reasons, for personal reason, I prefer this one. Now I will just stir this properly and go in with my afang leaf. So I will go in with the rest of the crayfish. Yes, afang soup also require a lot of crayfish, so be generous with it. And I'll go in with more pepper, and also I'll go in with more oil. At this point, I am already salivating, so give that a proper stir. I wish you are here to hear the flavor in this kitchen. Nigeria Afang Soup is one soup that when you try it, you will love eating it. It will become your favorite soup. Now add a little water into it if needed. Taste right now, you can just taste and adjust the seasoning. Note that once you add the afang, you don't really need to cook this for a very long period of time. If you don't want your afang soup thick like this, you can always add more water. Now we'll just leave this to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes and our afang soup is ready. So turn off the heat and serve with your favorite swallow. On this day, I was in a rush. I was going to somewhere, so I did not film the part that I I served this food. Like it was very, very tasty, and I believe you will like it too. Please do try this recipe. This is one recipe you need to try. Just follow the step the way I cook it, and I believe me, you will love it. Thanks for watching, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not. Turn on the notification bell. To my returning subscribers, thanks for coming back. Please, if you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos like this. Now, see you in my next video. Bye.